Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk Zima Dental Pod ultrasonic cleaner. You should buy this product or not. Does it really worth it to use this product or not? So basically Zima Dental is a very popular brand, you know very well, and they have lots of product, and this is another product like dental pod. Basically if you are facing any issue related to your dental set, like yellowish color in your dental, and if you are not able to clean your dental set properly, then this device is really helpful. As you know, and the technology they are using ultrasonic, and when you use this product it will generate or it will create uh, lots of mini bubbles, and it will remove all yellow color and all your, you can say, like tooth sets. It will clean very easily. So after making a proper research on this you can say like device, we can say this product is really worth it, and it will, you can say, like remove all the bacteria, all unwanted harmful bacteria from your toothpaste set, and it will give you lots of benefits. Okay, so you can see over here, these are the uses methods, how to use each and everything is provided on this website. So if you are going to use this product, you are not going to regret. Definitely it will give you lots of benefits, and you can see reviews, each and everything is really amazing. You can use it and you can get the benefits. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any experience with this brand, please share your thoughts in our comment box. Your comment is a real review. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.